everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is a follow-up from the mini Bodyshop video that I just did here in YouTube. When you click on this video, you'll be like, oh my god, it's 10 minutes. It's because I tried out all 5 masks. I know some of you guys out there have not tried out Bodyshop masks at all, but you don't know what it actually does for your skin, how it looks, how it feels, texture-wise, feeling-wise, and all of that. So that's the reason why I did this video and that's why it's lengthy. So let's jump into this video and let's get this video started on all these beautiful facial masks. Hey guys, this is day 1 of me trying out the Bodyshop mask. So I'm going to try the Himalayan charcoal mask and the Bodyshop British Rose mask. So the Himalayan mask is a matte mask, so it's easy to pair it up with a hydrating mask as well. And the reason why I come on camera with makeup, so you guys will know that I'm actually not using all 5 masks in one video, because I can't be putting 5 different layers of makeup on my face and 5 different layers of skincare. That is just ridiculous, seriously. So now the mask I'm going to put on my face is this one. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. You have a really good amount of product inside. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer on my skin. This removes excess oil, it pulls out toxins, removes impurity in your skin while leaving your skin looking glowy, and also helps with future acne problems. So you leave this mask on your face for 5 to 10 minutes. So as I'm talking to you, you can see it's already drying up, guys. No joke, it's already drying up. Avoid your eye areas and your lip areas. Okay, so this is how it looks like after 10 minutes. So upon application, I do have to tell you that it has a little bit of tingling effect to your skin, but it goes away after like 30 seconds. It's under a minute, it goes away. So if you feel itchiness on your skin, that means you have bacteria, because tea tree oil is known to kill bacteria on your skin and help with acne production to prevent future acne as well. If you feel burning on your skin above like more than 30 seconds to a minute, you know that you have broken skin. When you try to pick on a pimple and that first layer of your skin actually rips apart, it will not help to cure your broken skin. It will only like try to aggravate it and cause more inflammation to your skin. So what I do is I wet my hand, I'll tap it like that on my skin just to wet it down, and I will exfoliate. And this is a very gentle exfoliator, guys. Make sure your skin is really damp after it dries down to exfoliate your skin. You can do this before, but I like to do this after. I find that it gives the best optimal result. You can see how gentle it is. But I would definitely say that my skin feels soft, especially when it comes to my paw areas right here. You can see it's like really clean. Because you know, mud mask really pulls all your excess oil off your face. You do have to moisturize your skin. You can go in with the moisturizing mask, or you can go in with your normal moisturizer. As this mask is called the British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. When I'm putting up, it looks, oh, it's not zooming. It looks like this. You can see that one rose petal there is like so small. It's a clear, hydrating, plumping mask, and upon application, it is amazing. The smell is amazing. It smells like roses. It has a cooling effect to your skin. There's no tingling feeling, there's no burning sensation, there's no irritation to my skin. Because of the scent, it makes you feel so relaxed. It makes you want to use this product the next day to calm your skin down, especially if you wear makeup every single day. So I really recommend this one. So this mask is supposed to sit on your face for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm back and it doesn't really dry up, like soak into your skin, but it leaves like that layer over your skin. I wish my skin looks like this every day. I just wet my hands and just rub because I enjoy skincare. So I just go ahead and just like massage, and you can see the difference between dry area over here, because you're not supposed to put around your eye areas. Dry, hydrated. Here, it's dry. Here, 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 and here. Plump. So you can literally see the difference of how it is on my skin. It does hydrate, it feels so soft and cooling. It's time for me to put some cooling effect to my skin because Mama ain't getting any younger. So this mask actually gives you a creamy, gentle exfoliant for skin that needs intense treatment to remove dullness and unevenness. Some of the exfoliating bits look longer and some are like dots. So the longer strips actually comes from the ginseng and the dots actually comes from grinded rice. So I just applied the mask on my face. It has a very creamy texture. Goes on very easily onto your skin. Once I applied it, I felt a little bit of warming effect to my skin. But there wasn't any tingling, there wasn't any burning, there wasn't any itchiness. This is the very first time that I'm using it on my face. I'm going to pull out the website right now to give you guys a proper insight. Apparently, the ginseng extract is known for skin toning and stimulating properties that help revitalize your skin. And then the rice extract is to moisturize and brighten your skin. It also has sesame oil from Nicaraguan, which actually helps to soften the skin. So this is how it actually looks like once it's actually dried up. But it still keeps your skin soft. It doesn't actually like firm your skin and have like that tight feeling to your skin. That is good. Add a little bit of water. And my skin is a little bit brighter. There is no irritation. It is so soft. Super gentle exfoliator on your skin. Smell of the mask is actually making me feel extremely exhausted right now. My eyes is starting to get like... I would walk around with this face. Honestly, if I wasn't having this tired eyes, I would walk around with this face. This Chinese ginseng and rice clarifying polish mask is impressing me, guys. Seriously. So I do feel a little bit of tingling feeling that is probably coming from the green tea extracts. I'm not very sure. What this mask does for your skin, it purifies, gently exfoliates, liberates your skin from a weekly buildup of acidic pollutants and everyday impurities. So it helps you to reveal radiant, younger looking skin, has green tea and aloe vera inside. And we all know aloe vera's properties is for soothing and healing. Yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's dry. You can see like the cream has disappeared and you can see like this exfoliating bits. I don't know what exfoliating bits is this because it didn't mention. I'm just guessing that is from the green tea leaves that they actually grind it up because I don't think aloe vera looks like that. So I'll just go ahead and wet my hands and just... It feels very gentle. This is like extremely gentle, guys. I didn't do a before and after look for this. I don't find much difference to my face in the sense like of brightness and stuff like that. I feel like this makes my face just refreshed. The smell is nice. It's super gentle on the skin. Pollution wise, I don't know how to tell whether it removes pollution on the skin. I can't tell. I do not know about this mask. I mean, it feels great on the skin. How do you gauge environmental damage on your skin? I don't know. I really do not know. But maybe if you keep using this constantly, you can see a result out of it. But I'll keep you guys more updated in Instagram. So this mask will help to reduce signs of fatigue, leaving your skin feeling awakened, cleared of impurities and looking more radiant and pores look more refined. So it's a warming and energizing face mask. It's for skin burnout that looks dull, uneven, rough or ashy. It has a rich exfoliating texture. This looks weird on my face right now. Upon application number 1, it has a strong coffee smell. Texture is a little bit thick when you apply it to your face. The third thing is definitely has a warming effect. No itchiness, no burning. So I'm just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay, this is set on my face for about 10 minutes already and you can see immediately like changed into like an oil texture, guys, once it sets into your skin. Can you see that? It's like an oily texture. It didn't dry down, but it left like a layer of oil. You just go ahead and exfoliate your face. You don't need to wet your phalanges. It is not that bad. But as you're doing this, you still can feel the warming effect. And I have used rough exfoliants on my face, guys, trust me. This is nothing close. And number 1 about this mask, I am so surprised. I thought that I needed to actually put soap in order to rinse the texture of my skin. But no, guys, it just rinsed off like that. It's just amazing. I'm amazed. Yes, my skin feels more awakened, more refreshed, seems smooth. I'm like, pause. Where are you? I'm already rushing, guys, and I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, guys, I am back with a full face of makeup. Besides me having a little bit of facial hair, I have not even waxed my face for 4 or 5 months, guys. I think I gotta do it tonight. Really, my skin looks good. It's like I'm wondering, where is my pores? Okay, it did refine my pores. Oh my gosh. My overall thoughts of all the Bodyshop masks, I like it, but the only mask which I am confused about was the Japanese matcha tea. I'm confused about that mask. Gotta keep you guys updated in Instagram because it's only been like once I used it. The quantity of the mask, even after using it once, I can definitely tell you can get another good 3 uses out of this, 3 or 4 uses out of this. Price point is good. It's $9 per mask, and I do recommend you guys all the masks except the Japanese matcha one because I'm confused about that. But the others, I would 100% recommend you guys to actually go ahead and try them out if you have not tried them out. So I love you guys so much. I hope I did a good job in this video. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.